Yeah, we will defend our research now, and our title is Crime Prevention Strategy in Barangay Bahaw. My member is Vandal Bagnol, Dikinyon, Quarteron, Makiling, and Gisto and Sulmia. Then the introduction is the rationale behind implementing comprehensive crime prevention strategy in Barangay Bahaw stems from the urgent need to enhance community safety and well-being, and a proactive approach rather than solely reactive policing is crucial to address the root causes of crime and foster a more secure environment for residents. Then, this necessitates and multi
So from the introduction of rationale, Barangay Bao, like many communities, face the challenge of ensuring safety and security for its residents, while law enforcement play a crucial role. A purely reactive approach to crime is insufficient. Proactive crime prevention strategies are essential to address the root causes of criminal activity, foster a sense of security within the community.
I'm Bianca Quarteron. So these are the research objective of this study. So the first objective is we are going to execute existing crime prevention strategy of Barangay Bahaw. Then the second, we are going to assess the impact of existing crime prevention strategies on safety and security. Third, we are going to recommend new crime prevention strategies based on prevalent crime in Barangay Bahaw. Fourth, we are going to implement the new crime prevention strategies and in order to ensure safety and security. And the last one, we are going to assess the effectivity of the new crime strategy.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Ranger Ortiz Diesto, and my topic is all about conceptual framework for crime prevention strategies in Bahaw, Cagos, Surigao del Sur. This image presents a conceptual framework for crime prevention strategies in Barangay Bahaw, Tagos, Surigao del Sur. It outlines factors contributing to crime and proposes an intervention program. In the first box is 1.1